Do you know the best day and time to publish a video or go live on your YouTube channel? Well, if you don't, in this video I'll be sharing with you 4 strategies that you can use to find the best day and time to publish a video or go live on your YouTube channel so you can get more views and engagements on your videos. Ready? Let's go! Hello and welcome. My name is Tope Aghomatse. If you're new here and you want to learn how to grow your YouTube channel, how to use YouTube to grow your personal brand or business, or generally learn stuff about YouTube, then start now by subscribing and clicking on that bell so you don't miss anything. Now to the topic of today. Knowing the best time to publish your videos or go live on your YouTube channel is very important because the first few hours of every single video on your channel are the most crucial. This is when YouTube processes your videos and checks how it's performing to decide whether or not to promote your video to a wider audience. Now, it's good to know that this does not affect the long-term success of your videos, meaning that if you have great content and your video is well optimized, your video can still succeed on YouTube. But as far as timing is concerned, we would rather not take any chances. Now to the big question, how do you know the best time to publish a video or go live on your YouTube channel? In case you didn't know, the best time to go live on your channel is not the same as the best time to upload and publish a video. Now, if you want to know the difference, you definitely want to stick around to the end of this video to know what that is. But for now, I'm going to be starting with 4 strategies you can use to determine the best time to upload a recorded video on your channel. Now, the first strategy and the most accurate way to determine this is to use your channel analytics. Now, I'm going to take you to my channel and show you how. So we are on my channel right now, and at the top right here, we click on the icon, go to YouTube Studio. To the left, go to your analytics, and then up here, click on the audience tab. Now, this is the area where you will find information guiding you on the best time to post on YouTube in this section that says when your viewers are on YouTube. But because my channel is still small and doesn't have enough data for this section, I'm going to show you this section from a bigger channel. While it's not clear what the exact requirements are to unlock this feature, what's important here is it has to do with the size and the traffic on your channel. So double up on delivering value and growing your channel so you can unlock this feature as soon as possible. So here we are on the channel of a client of mine, and then this channel has over 10 million views and close to 50,000 subscribers. So it's definitely way bigger than my channel. Okay, now I'm going to mouse over these purple colors and let you see why they are different. So starting from the lightest shade, YouTube says very few of your viewers are on YouTube at this time. Now, this is Tuesday, 3 a.m. Now to the very next shade, which is a little darker, like a 5 a.m. on a Monday, it says few of your viewers. Okay, so from very few, the lightest shade, to few viewers. Now to the next shade, it says some of your viewers are on YouTube. And then the very next shade says many of your viewers are on YouTube. And finally, the darkest shade says very many of your viewers are on YouTube at this time. Now, remember, what we're trying to do here is determine the best time to post a video on YouTube. Keeping in mind that YouTube requires a little time to index your video and to be able to determine who your video is meant for and all of that, you want to post like 2 hours ahead of the peak time on your channel. So for instance, this darkest color here on a Friday, 4 p.m. is the beginning of the peak time on that day. But if you want to post on this channel, it's better to post like 1 p.m., which is about 3 hours to the peak time. Now, that said, which particular day really should you post, considering what this graph looks like? So you want to consider the day that has the highest number of the darkest purple bars. So here we have Friday and Saturday having a similar number of the darkest shade. And then if you spot a situation like this, you want to check the next purple shade. Which of these 2 days has more of it? Again, Friday and Saturday seem to have the same number of this lighter purple, and then they seem to have about the same number of the next shade again. Now, I want to give you a quick tip here, okay? Your videos usually get the highest views in their first 2 days. So I would say don't post on Saturday, post on Friday, so you can maximize all the availability on Friday and Saturday, considering the first 2 days of your video being on YouTube. Now, if you post on Saturday, the next day after Saturday will be Sunday, and Sunday has far less of these dark bars. So you want to move back a bit so you can maximize Friday and Saturday that has the highest concentration of the dark purple bars. So that's it for strategy number 1. So if you don't have this feature yet on your channel, just like I don't have on my current channel, then strategies 2, 3, and 4 would be appropriate for you. Now, if you are getting value so far, hit that like button below and let me know. Now let's go into strategy number 2. This will require you studying your traffic source and determining where the majority of your viewers are from. Okay, now we are back on my channel and we are still in the audience section. What we'll just do here is scroll down a little bit to study our top geographies. So here we have the top geographies. Now at first glance, you can see here that United States tops my list, despite the fact that I live and upload from Nigeria. This for me means that I should plan my posting with the timing in the United States, and ideally just focus on the morning time, just to be sure that you take advantage of the daytime in that region. So now let's go to strategy number 3, that is studying your 48-hour view pattern. So now back to my channel, we're going to click on the top right icon again, go to YouTube Studio, click on Analytics, and here we have it. So what you want to do here is study the 48-hour view pattern on your channel. You can see here that Sunday 8 to like 11 a.m. is the peak period for the first 24 hours. And then again, another peak happened here. And then you can see here that the times that it drops are like in the evenings. And then you can see the trend here again. This is 48 hours information. You want to study this part of your channel for like a week or 2. And note the peak times of each day. Post experimentally until you can figure this out. But study this for like 2 weeks and then observe when the peaks go really high and come down, and then walk around when the peaks are going high. Remember again, you're not going to publish your video at the peaks. You're going to publish when it begins to climb. And so this is strategy 3. Now let's go to strategy number 4. Now, if your channel is so small or spanking new and you're not even able to get views to study over a 48-hour period for 2 weeks, like I said in strategy number 3, then your best bet would be to go with this final strategy, which is using your local time. Now, wherever you're located, use the local time in that region. So if you're in UK, use the local time in the UK to plan your publishing time. Then there will be some fine-tuning based on your niche, your sector. If you're in the entertainment niche, you probably want to go with weekends because people are more relaxed and want to just, unwind. If you are business oriented, you want to work with weekdays, preferably Tuesdays to Thursdays, just keeping it safe. I said I was going to explain the difference between the best time to upload a recorded video versus the best time to go live on your YouTube channel. Now for live streams, it's a totally different ballgame. Why? Because the live stream is the best time for you to get all the possible traffic. So this time you're not planning to go live 2 hours to the peak time because that won't work, right? You want to go live when the peak time is on. Now, having done all this, you want to ensure that you are also promoting your videos so that you can drive the most traffic to your videos in the very first hours. And this video up here or in the description below is what you need to go learn the 10 ways to promote your YouTube videos and get more views and engagement really fast. I'll see you in that video, and until then, keep showing up and keep crushing it. Bye.